Almost every driver misses these simple car tricks. In fact, 9 out of 10 people don't even know they exist. And here's the crazy part, just one of these hacks can save you thousands in repair bills. Most drivers go their whole lives without using them, and there's a good chance you've been overlooking them too. So, before you waste another dollar at the mechanic, here are 6 smart car hacks only experienced drivers know. Watch till the end, each one could save you serious money. Let's get started with hack number 6. Use baking soda on foggy taillights. Are your taillights cloudy, yellow, or barely visible at night? Then a mechanic tells you the lenses are oxidized and need to be replaced. $150 to $400 per light. Before you spend that money, try this first. Mix baking soda with a little water until it forms a thick paste. Apply it to your taillights and scrub gently with a cloth or sponge. Baking soda is a mild abrasive, strong enough to remove oxidation and grime, but gentle enough not to scratch the plastic. Rinse it off, and you'll be shocked how clear your taillights look again. A $1 box of baking soda can clean all your lights multiple times. And this doesn't just work on taillights. Use it on headlights, turn signals, and even cloudy chrome trim. Here's what most people aren't told. Replacing lights makes far more money than cleaning them, so you're told the damage is permanent, when in reality it's usually just surface oxidation that takes 10 minutes to fix. And here's the pro tip. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of car wax to the plastic. This seals the surface and slows future oxidation. That simple combo can keep your lights clear for years without ever paying a shop. No wonder mechanics don't love this trick. It kills one of their easiest upsells. Hack number 5. Wrap your key fob in foil. Ever notice your car gets broken into with no damage at all? No smashed windows, no forced locks. Nothing looks touched, yet everything inside is gone. Here's what's really happening. Thieves are using signal boosters to capture your key fob signal from inside your home. While you're asleep, they amplify the signal from your key fob sitting on a table, trick your car into thinking the key is nearby, and unlock it silently. No alarm, no warning. This method is called relay theft, and it's spreading fast. But here's the simple fix. When you're not driving, wrap your key fob in aluminum foil or place it inside any metal container like a coffee tin. The metal blocks the signal completely, making it useless to thieves. It takes 5 seconds and costs nothing. Those anti-theft signal blocking pouches sell for $20 to $50, but foil does the exact same job. And there's another bonus most people don't know. Key fobs constantly sending signals drain the battery faster. Blocking the signal at home can extend your battery life by months. Here's the real reason you never hear about this. Replacing and reprogramming key fobs makes dealerships hundreds of dollars. One replacement can cost $200 to $500, so they don't talk about the free solution. One piece of foil could save you from a very expensive mistake. Hack number 4. Use WD-40 in your engine bay. You take your car in for routine service and suddenly the mechanic starts pointing at your engine bay. Dirty, corroded, worn out. Then comes the recommendation, a professional engine cleaning for $100 to $200, promising better performance and fewer problems. Here's what they don't mention. You can get most of the same benefits with 1 can of WD-40 and about 15 minutes of your time. Spray WD-40 on battery terminals to stop corrosion. Lightly coat exposed metal connectors to push out moisture. Apply it to rubber hoses and belts to keep them flexible and reduce cracking over time. It removes grime, protects against rust, and makes the engine bay look noticeably cleaner. A single can costs around $5 and lasts through multiple uses. But here's the part most drivers never hear. Dirty battery terminals can cause starting issues that are often blamed on a bad battery. Corrosion creates electrical resistance. A quick spray and wipe can restore proper flow and save you a $150 battery replacement. And here's the real advantage. Regular WD-40 use is preventative maintenance. When hoses stay conditioned, they don't crack or leak. When terminals stay clean, electrical systems don't fail. You're preventing problems before they become expensive repairs. And that's exactly why this trick isn't advertised at the shop. Hack number 3, use socks on your windshield wipers. Winter arrives, and suddenly, your wipers start streaking, skipping, and barely clearing the glass. A mechanic tells you the blades are finished and offers replacements for $40 to $60 plus installation. But here's the truth. Most of the time, your wiper blades aren't worn out. they're just frozen. Before you replace them, try this simple trick. Slide old socks over your wiper blades when you park your car overnight. The fabric creates a barrier that stops ice from forming on the rubber, keeps snow from packing into the wiper frame, and makes your morning routine way easier. When you're ready to drive, just pull the socks off. Your blades stay clean, flexible, and ready to work. No scraping ice off the wipers, no blades frozen to the windshield, and no damage from forcing them to move while iced over. This one trick can extend the life of your wiper blades by months, even years, depending on the weather. Here's what most people never hear. Trying to use frozen wipers is one of the fastest ways to ruin them. The rubber tears, the arms bend, and suddenly replacement really is necessary. The socks prevent all of that. And here's the kicker. Wiper blades are one of the easiest upsells for repair shops. They buy them cheap and charge a premium for parts and labor. A pair of old socks removes that sale completely, and which is exactly why this trick never comes up during service visits. Hack number 2, use rubbing alcohol as a windshield de-icer. Your windshield is completely iced over. You're scraping for 10 minutes, your hands are freezing, and you're still running late. Meanwhile, that store-bought de-icer you paid $12 for is disappearing fast and barely working. Here's the smarter solution. Mix 2 parts rubbing alcohol with 1 part water in a simple spray bottle. Spray it on your frozen windshield and watch the ice melt almost instantly. Alcohol lowers water's freezing point, so ice turns back into liquid in seconds. No scraping, no waiting for the engine to warm up, no overpriced products. A $2 bottle of rubbing alcohol can make enough de-icer to last an entire winter. It's faster than commercial sprays, costs a fraction of the price, and you probably already have it at home. Here's what most people don't know. This same mixture can prevent ice from forming. Spray it on your windshield the night before a freeze, and you'll wake up to clear glass while everyone else is scraping. And here's the bonus. This solution also works on frozen door locks, side mirrors, and clogged washer nozzles. One spray bottle replaces several separate products. Auto stores love selling individually. Simple, cheap, effective. Before we move on to the really sneaky hacks, tap that like button. It helps expose more tricks most drivers never hear about. Now let's talk about something that could actually save your life. Hack number 1. Use a tennis ball in your garage. You keep pulling in too far, bumping the wall, or nearly crushing your tools every time you park. Then, someone suggests installing a fancy proximity sensor system for $200 to $500. But here's the smarter solution. Hang a tennis ball from the garage ceiling using a piece of string. Adjust it so it just touches your windshield when your car is parked in the perfect spot. When you pull in and the ball taps the glass, stop. That's it. Perfect parking every single time. The tennis ball costs less than $1. The string you probably already have. No batteries, no calibration, no maintenance. Here's what most people don't hear. Those expensive sensor systems fail, need repairs, and cost a fortune to replace when they break. A tennis ball just hangs there, never stops working, and does the exact same job.